Hello, welcome back to Petals and Perils. I'm a novice gardener in zone 7A, 6B, depending who you consult with. It's the end of August, probably not the best time to start a channel for gardening, but there's still things to do. So I'm hoping you'll learn along with me or certainly teach me because I am what I call a late bloomer when it comes to gardening, but I'm all in now. So anyway, today we're going to do a little seed collection. So we've got a cluster of nasturtiums here. We've been actually away for about 4 weeks, so these haven't been deadheaded in a while. However, they have been dropping their little seed pods for some time. So it's kind of fun because you can just peek underneath. Let's see if we can find some. Well, here's an example of one, but it's pretty dried out already, but we can definitely keep that. But it's like a little Easter egg hunt. You can just lift up and peek under. Oh yeah, look at that. There's 2 there. So we'll pick those up. And so you'll just keep doing that. And then you'll see as well that, some of them are hanging here. And if they don't, oh, that one came off easily. If they don't come off easily, then they're not ready. But if you just touch them and they just fall off, let's see this one. Oh yeah, that one just came off too. Then they're good. And there's so many. I mean, gosh, you can just do this forever. And they're big and easy to collect. So it's actually a really satisfying one to do.
I've taken the seeds I just collected. This took me like 2 or 3 minutes. I've got about a dozen here to show you what they look like when you collect them and then what they'll look like shortly after. So it's about, I didn't time it exactly, but I think it's between 7 to 10 days from there to there, maybe a little bit longer. And I just left them out on a paper towel in my house for them to desiccate on their own. And once they turned into this, then, oops, I popped them in an envelope that I've labeled. And I do remember putting these in the ground. It was Empress of India is the strain we used by West Coast Seeds. So it's very simple and really satisfying.